thank everybody who's able to make the WebEx. And the reason we're here today is we've been spending a lot of time here at Ryma Technology Solutions working with a variety of security companies in different fashions. And we've been learning a lot of interesting information from these companies. And one of the things we wanted to do was be able to come back to the security market in general and specifically product management and just give you a sense for some of the things that we've been seeing in terms of some commonalities across these security companies and how they do their product management. Now, we're just going to go through some basic slides here and look at three themes in terms of some of the things we see as common problems. And, of course, we'll drill into a little bit on some of the common solutions that we've seen to those problems, as well as a couple specific examples around some reporting and some roadmap type of information that we seem to see across the board in most security companies. So we'll go ahead and jump in here in terms of a little brief agenda, just a little bit of an introduction here. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about who I am in a moment here, and then we'll jump right into it. And really the three themes that I talked about that we're concentrating and that we really have seemed to found common ground across these security companies are this third bullet that you see here: process, data, and collaboration. And those are really the three key areas that we've found there tends to be problems and disconnects in organizations today. And there tends to be a lot of different ways that you can solve or attempt to solve these problems. And those are really the areas that we're going to focus on, again, using some specific examples. We'll also look at reporting and roadmaps a little bit, and just to talk about some of the similarities that we've run across there in terms of our security customers and prospects. And then just as a last slide, some information on really helping customers and prospects build out their product management organization. Product management is a very interesting space in companies. We tend to be the CEO of a product, for lack of a better term, because we have to work with everybody. Everyone almost has to give us something, and in most cases we give them something back. And we find it's a role that's moving forward in organizations. It's moving higher and higher and becoming a larger organization. And we've seen some common tools and things that are available around training and certifications in the market that we just wanted to share with our customers and prospects. So let's go ahead and jump in. First thing to just get out of the way is to tell you who I am and why I'm here. My name is Peter Ganza, and I am the professional services lead here at Ryma Technology Solutions, in charge of helping our customers get fulfilled with our solutions and actually working with them to build out our best practices for our solution feature plan and tie that into their current lives and their product management process. Just like probably everyone that's on the line here, I've been in high technology for quite a while, just over 10 years. Spent a good deal of time working at Symantec Corporation in a variety of roles around product management, marketing, and some technical roles as well. And that was one of the fun ways that I was able to build in a security kind of an approach to some of these accounts that we deal with, and be able to work with security companies to really understand what it is they're talking about. We all have the same kind of fun to deal with around requirements and working with different groups, and I found it was very useful for me in having that experience and working with security companies now in this role. I am pragmatic marketing trained, as we do support that methodology, and again, really focused on a professional services role and helping our customers. Now, what we're looking to do here is to start off and just talk about what are we seeing overall in product management in security. And when I say security, I mean the whole gamut: software security, hardware security, services, or perhaps even a combination of both. We all love the new buzzwords around integration and tying everything together, and it is the way that, of course, security is going. And we're finding that the same is true for product management within a security company. They're tending to become more integrated, just like their offerings. We need to do the same thing with our processes and the collaboration that we're using internally. And really what we found is this one picture speaks marvels to not only most of our customers, but what we found in the security space as well, where you're basically, like I said, the CEO of the product. Product management is here over on the right, dealing with inputs from everybody. You can see a couple of the common suspects here in terms of information coming from sales and development. Of course, our customers and partners and suppliers are feeding us lots of information, as well as every other group in the organization. And we find that in security roles around product management, it tends to be the same process. The difference is we find we're getting more data in security companies, and it's